When it comes to choosing a project management tool, the options can feel endless. Two names that frequently come up in discussions, especially for teams looking for ways to streamline their work, are Trello and ClickUp. Both offer distinct approaches to managing tasks and projects, and as a project management expert, I often guide teams through the decision of which one is a better fit. The truth is, there isn't a universally better tool. The superior choice depends entirely on your team's specific needs, the complexity of your projects, your preferred working style, and your willingness to invest in a tool's learning curve. Let's break down Trello and ClickUp to help you make an informed decision. Trello, the visual simplicity champion. Trello is renowned for its elegant simplicity and highly visual interface. At its core, Trello operates on the Kanban methodology, which uses boards, lists, and cards to represent tasks and their progression. Boards, imagine a whiteboard. Each Trello board represents a project, a team, or a specific workflow. Lists. On this whiteboard, you draw columns. In Trello, these are lists and they typically represent stages in a workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. You can customize these to anything that suits your process, like ideation, drafting, review, published for a content team. Cards. Within each list, you have cards. Each card is a task. You can drag and drop these cards between lists to update their status. A card can contain a description, due dates, checklists, attachments, comments, and assigned team members. What Trello excels at: ease of use. Trello has an incredibly gentle learning curve. Most new users can grasp its core functionality within minutes. This makes it ideal for teams who need to get up and running quickly without extensive training. Visual appeal. The Kanban board view is highly intuitive and provides a clear, at-a-glance overview of project progress. This visual nature can be very effective for teams that prefer a less text-heavy approach. Task management simplicity. For managing individual tasks or straightforward projects with a clear linear flow, Trello is excellent. It helps individuals and small teams stay organized and on top of their to-do lists. Collaboration. Comments on cards, mentions, and easy assignment make it simple to collaborate on specific tasks. Power UPS. While Trello's core features are simple, its functionality can be extended significantly through Power UPS, which are integrations with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, Salesforce, etc., or added features like time tracking, custom fields, calendar views, where Trello might fall short. Complexity limitations. For highly complex projects with intricate dependencies, multiple subtasks, or the need for diverse project views beyond Kanban, Trello can become cumbersome. While Power UPS add functionality, relying too heavily on them can fragment your workflow and potentially increase costs. Limited native reporting. Trello's native reporting capabilities are basic. Getting in-depth insights into team performance, resource allocation, or project health often requires third-party Power UPS. No native time tracking. While Power UPS exists, time tracking is not a built-in feature, which can be a drawback for service-based businesses or those needing to monitor hours closely. Scalability for large organizations. While Trello works for many teams, very large organizations managing a multitude of interconnected projects might find its flat hierarchy and board-centric view less robust for enterprise-level demands. ClickUp, the all-in-one powerhouse. ClickUp, in contrast, aims to be one app to replace them all. It's a feature-rich, highly customizable platform designed to handle a vast array of project management needs, from simple task lists to complex enterprise-level projects. What ClickUp excels at: versatility and customization. This is where ClickUp truly shines. It offers over 15 different views: list, board, calendar, Gantt, box, table, workload, map, etc., allowing you to visualize your work in almost any way imaginable. You can customize nearly everything: statuses, custom fields, workflows, dashboards, and automation rules. Comprehensive feature set. ClickUp boasts an extensive array of built-in features, including native time tracking, goal setting, powerful automation, built-in docs and wikis, whiteboards, chat, and detailed reporting and dashboards. This reduces the reliance on external integrations for core functionalities. Hierarchy and granularity. ClickUp supports a robust hierarchical structure, spaces, folders, lists, tasks, subtasks, allowing you to break down projects into granular details and manage dependencies effectively. This makes it highly scalable for growing teams and complex projects. Powerful automation. ClickUp's automation engine is incredibly sophisticated, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks based on triggers and conditions, saving significant time and reducing manual errors. Reporting and analytics. ClickUp offers deep reporting capabilities with customizable dashboards, providing a comprehensive overview of project health, team performance, and key metrics.